I'm Chelsea, 18 years old and a senior student from USTP.
I'm Althea and I'm 17 years old and I'm from Mog Senior High School.
I am Lario. I am an 18-year-old ABM student from Xavier University Senior High School.
I'm Romar, 18 years old, senior high school student in Liceo de Cagayan University.
So today we will play a mystery box game. We have taken some items from all over Bukidnon and Misamis Oriental, and your job is to guess that item. You have around 45 to 60 seconds to guess it. Isunod ninyo. Don't look at the box. And then whoever gets it right will have the chance to answer the multiple choice question. Any advice ka, Althea, before
Hinahinay lang ta. Kaning ano lang. Give chance dayon if ever mong galing na dagan na kayo ha. Sharing is loving. Love,
Yes,
love.
of course. Good luck.
Is it seeds? Is it fertilizer?
Something
Paminta.
kahoy.
Tea?
Correct!
Tea?
It's a tea bag.
Strong scent. Yeah. Smells good.
Smells like tea.
I gotta guess depression.
I'll go with A. Depression.
Still! Except man, di ba? So, diabetes.
I think letter C, Alzheimer.
Go!
Ala.
Potato. Pan.
Rice bread. Pwede tilawan.
Quemado.
Pastel?
Bread.
Ensaymada.
Torta.
Kading croissant? Persimmon?
Pandesal. Cheese bread.
Keso, ay si din ang keso di bola.
Okay, please.
Wow, chicken ensaymada.
Yung ginagpaon every
Ay,
day.
cinnamon?
Yes. Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon.
Oh, you're
Oh my God.
Hello.
Cinnamon tea?
Cinnamon syrup.
Both got it wrong.
Bestie goals! Inana ang true friendship
Yes.
na ay telepathy.
Maglibog ka sa A and B, so sige, I'll stick to my gut. Cinnamon apple pie.
Yan akong lola og banana chips. So, I'll go with cinnamon banana chips.
Go!
Banig.
Is it something...
Placemat.
You got it right.
Very nice designs.
Call a friend. Friend, can you help me?
Yes, friend.
What do you think is the answer, friend?
Friend. I believe that the answer for this is siguro since kaonon, it implies na ka lives people of the Fertile Valley. I believe.
Ako ang magudunta is A, pero Basin, since he's from Bukidnon. So my answer would be C na lang. People of the Fertile Valley. Sabotage, friend.
Ayaw, friend. Ayaw ko this own friend.
Block na kayo number.
Letter B, people of the mountain ranges.
And I also believe na the tribes that live here really rely on their livelihood for the forest, which is why I dedicate this answer to my friend A. People of the living forest.
Letter A, people of living forest.
We have broke our friendship. Our telepathy has been broken.
Advice for Chelsea as she goes into the final round.
Good luck and
Keep sabotaging na lang. Ayaw na lang para madaog ka sa next round.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh.
Ano ka ba?
Sino mo ko? Ako to si Natoy. Namahal na mahal ka. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout because I'm telling you why. I'm gonna be the winner. Sorry kayo ha, kung nagapangurog mo. Diyos ko, karoon kay bugnaw kay aircon. Asin?
Sugar,
Balas?
paminta,
Coconut something?
this cinnamon sugar,
It's something that adults need.
Tawas?
powdered milk,
What do others?
Milo, tableya,
Coffee?
Ay, kape.
Oh.
These are ground coffee, delivered from Manila, ha?
Yes.
Freshly harvested from
Kidnon.
made by the indigenous people who are part of the KGV.
Letter C, Kinasanghan Guard Volunteer.
I'll go with Kitanglad, A.
Any message to the Kitanglan Guard volunteer?
Salute and kudos for all the efforts sa pag-protect sa forest. Like, salute to
I
tayo.
really commend the frontliners in protecting our forest. So, good job. Very great job.
Go!
Sponge?
Kanto sa daw tabi, bahay.
Bahay, kubo, kahit munti ang laman doon. Ay, isa. Sikamas, talong.
Sigarilyas, mani. Sitaw, bataw, patalo. Labanos, mustasa.
Sikamas at, ha? Bakit nalagita ako? I think I have to guess kalabasa.
I believe na considering yung structure, may pagtaas-taas siya. Kuan siya. Upo.
Patani.
A lot of people, including sa among household, kay nag-use niya ng mga plastic ng mga lufa. Pero considering the info that was shared, dapat nagita na mag-change o hopefully mag-adapt ta aning more natural and less environmentally degrading na mga materials.
So like, sad lang kaayo kay without us knowing bitag it's fully nga kuan naman dami contribute na dami sa kaning pag-degrade sa ato ang kaning ocean bitaw nga life nga kaning environment nga. Rope? Baka rope?
Sa kanang mga barong, di ba? Yun na use ng materials.
I have to say, our very own Philippines. Pinoy pride. Let's go. Maybe we should be more human. Let's have humanity, not only sa ato ang co-pod nga kaning inhabitants nga human, but also sa atong environment. Kaya kung wala nga atong environment, dili ta maka-survive and dili po ta maka-continue sa atong life.
We could enact different kinds of either through the work of legislations or through kanang paghatag og mga appropriate na mga kanang violations for them para dili na to mahitabo again na pag-destroy sa itong community og more kuan pod sustainable ways of producing abaca fibers and abaca.
Go!
Oh, moisturizer,
No?
cream,
Passion fruit,
binignit, lugaw, aros kaldo. Mayonnaise, cheese,
peanut butter. Is this any hazelnut or any cocoa kind of base?
jam, pineapple jam, apple jam, pineapple,
Strawberry jam.
raspberry jam, guava jam,
Pineapple, mango jam. Yes, there's papaya jam, apricot, peach, orange jam.
watermelon jam, jackfruit jam. I have to say letter B, 1 to 3 years.
I believe na ang trees di man na siya dito sa matubo pero siguro sa dili sa tinana ka dugay to produce a fruit so tunga-tunga si ako 3 to 5 years.
The correct answer is B. 5.
Dugay jud kayo siya.
Our winner with 7 points
Ay
is none other than from USTP!
USTP! Gi-claim din ako siya ganina actually mo nagito siya ako nga manifestation char.
It works.
With the forest spirit sila kung gi-guidean ato nga kon journey. Thank you kayo.
Very proud sa imong kuan knowledge.
Kahilak ko, my gosh.
Continue to know these indigenous made
Yeah.
products and save the forests and environment of
Yes.
course.
Hi friends.
Hi, friend.
I'm so proud of you yet disappointed.
Oh,
Napildi ka.
Like,
Like, I was rooting for you.
Congrats kayo.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Yes.
Proud na proud kayo ko sa imo.
Wow, like first time na po na may ano ba madunggan nga proud char.
How was the experience?
Na-open up gid ako ang may nga wow. Ang forest gid di ay kay dili na bitaw kay layop id sa ato ah. The forest is closer to us than we think it is.
I was shocked na katong kung sa ganito siya made, yung sponge. Kaya gagamit ko ato sa balay. Ako, balo nga, made from, ano dito siya, a fruit or...
Patola.
O patola. oh my God, gamit ko vegetables ako ang body. So one of the things for the ano, because sumuot ko na feel.
And also, most importantly, ang iyahang gigikanan ani kay gikan man din ni not only sa ato ang kuan sa mga commercialized na mga producers, but instead on the indigenous individuals and tribes na strive hard para ma-produce nila. So really kuan appreciative sa ilang all of their efforts, and also kanang really thankful for having been shared with this kind of information.
Dapat ito linyan tra kaayo nga ay nabuhi pa man ko, ay okay pa man ang air, okay pa man kay ginhawa pa ko og kaning oxygen, ginhawa pa ko og release pa ko og carbon, no. Kaya nga to ang environment karon grabe nakaka-critical.
Why should we protect the forest pa? Our forest is where we live, manggod.
Para sa ako, kay ang forest magandis, gahatag yapon siya og air sa ato, like, kanang, tsada kay siya sa pamati ba. So, ang ako alam kung kay, kanang dili yung nila gaputlo ng mga kwan, bitaw, ang mga trees.
That as reflect lang gid nga ako ang mga needs na sa forest, so dapat i-protect pud na ako ang forest. Eh kung wala ang forest, di pud ta maka-survive, bye-bye human race.
So we should always kanang find better ways to innovate and hopefully preserve nature in that process.
Is it too late ba for people to act on it?
No. Because we are still breathing eh. Like, napatay time. Like, though crucial na kayo, critical na ta, but at least napatay time, take action na.
My message to our fellow youths is that it is never too late to act upon our problems, but the urgency and the intentions and the need to improve and adapt is what's most important.
It's not too late to act.
Maging malinis sa paligid araw-araw.
Appreciate our forest, take care of our forest, and know that the forest is not as far as we think it is.